Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, not audible. Good morning, sir.
I'm audible now.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, this was the last question. 48 sweets are distributed
Good morning,
among
sir.
friends. This was the last question.
Good
We
morning,
shall
sir.
see some more important questions. We shall not solve all the questions, only important ones I have taken. Look at the question here. 1 by 2 is being subtracted from a number and multiplying the result by 1 by 2, we get 1 by 8. What is the number? 1 by 2 is subtracted from a number if you consider the number to be x minus 1 by 2, and this is multiplied by 1 by 2, the result is 1 by 8. So if you cross multiply, it becomes 2 by 8, which is 1 by 4. So x will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So we get
3 by 4, sir.
3 by 4. Yes, sir. This is one of the easy question, 2 marks. Now this is a 4 marks question. The length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7 centimeter. If the length is decreased by 4 centimeter and the breadth is increased by 3 centimeter, the area of new rectangle will be same as the area of the original rectangle. Find
Can we solve, sir?
the length and breadth. Yes, you can solve it. Here they have given length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7 centimeter. Length is decreased by 4 centimeter, breadth is increased by 3 centimeter. How will you consider?
Sir, we will consider x and then the breadth will be x plus 7. And in the second part, it is said that the breadth is increased by 3 centimeter and the length is decreased by 4 centimeters, sir. And the
Yes, sir.
area of the new rectangle is equal to the area of the previous rectangle. So the we can write the x into x plus 7 is equals to x minus 4. Um, sorry, sir, x plus 10 into x minus 4.
Why x plus 10?
Sir, the new rectangle is 3 is added to the breadth, sir, so it becomes x plus 10.
Length is 16 centimeters, sir. Breadth is 9 centimeters.
No, my doubt is why did they give this first sentence? The length of the rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7 centimeter.
So
So
that
if
we
you
can
consider,
find its area.
Sir, we
if you
can
Sir,
find
consider the
its
breadth
area,
to be
sir.
x, length will be x plus 7.
7 plus x. Yes,
now we
sir.
have to find its area, sir, which is x square plus 7x.
Now we will find
Yes,
the
sir.
area for this.
हाँ देख रहा हूँ ना मेरी क्लास चल रही है
Shriyansh, area is length into
देखो
breadth, Shriyansh.
X square plus 7x, sir.
Okay, sir. Now, if the
Which is
length is
equal to
decreased by 4,
Yes,
it
sir.
x
becomes
minus 4.
x
X plus 3
plus
whole square,
3.
sir.
X plus 3 it becomes.
Whole square.
The breadth
Yes, sir.
is
Breadth
increased by
is
3.
also increased by 3.
X plus 3.
Means x plus 3 whole square.
This is for the new rectangle, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, area will be equal to x plus 3 whole square. Now these two should be equated.
Yes, sir.
X square plus 7x should be equated to x plus 3 whole square.
Yes, sir.
If we
We can
expand that,
expand it,
So
sir.
we'll expand
Yes,
it.
sir.
X square plus 7x is equal to x square plus
x square plus
6x.
9
X square plus 9 plus
x
3x.
plus 9.
3x.
Yes, sir.
6x.
Or
6x now.
6x.
X
Yes.
square cancels, sir.
So x will be
X is
9.
equal to 9.
They have asked
Yes,
find the length and breadth
breadth
of the
is
original
9.
rectangle.
9
Breadth
plus
Value
is
will
9.
be
7.
Length
9.
is 16. Breadth
Breadth will be 9 centimeter and the length will be
16.
x
16, sir.
plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16.
16 centimeter.
Sir, this is how many
If,
marks question? Sir?
this is 4 marks
4 more.
question. If we cross check this, the new will be x
We
plus
can
3 whole
find
square.
The
No,
length is
the value of
plus 3.
LHS and RHS, sir.
What is 9 times of 16? 144.
144, sir.
144.
So
Yes.
9 plus 3 is 12. 12 square is also 144. So it is correct. Question number is not there. Okay, next question is also for 4 marks. The altitude of a triangle is 5/3 the length of its corresponding base. If the altitude be increased by 4 centimeter and base be decreased by 2 centimeter, the area of the triangle remains the same. Find the base and altitude of the triangle. Here, when they ask area and sorry, base and altitude of the triangle, it is the original triangle.
Sir, first we have to find the area of the triangle, sir. 5 by 3x into x will be the area of the original triangle. Then after
Yes,
increasing their dimension,
you mean you will
we
consider the base as x
yes, sir.
and
And the
its
height will be
altitude.
Yes, sir. This is the IX.
Then what consider height?
5
This is the altitude. Altitude of a
5 by
triangle
3x.
is 5 by 3. 5 by 3x.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Then we
This
have
is
to
for
find
the
the area.
triangle. Area will be half base into height. Half into x into 5 by 3x. This is for the original triangle. Now for the new triangle,
Yes.
base will be
Decreased by 2
Increased by
centimeter.
2.
X
Sir,
minus
decreased
two.
by
the
2, x
latitude is
minus 2.
X
minus
minus
0,
2.
4
And the
centimeter.
height will be
Altitude
5 by 3x plus 4.
Plus 4.
5 by 3x
5 by
plus
3x
4.
plus 4, sir.
So when you consider this in account,
We have
Half
area
into base
will
into
become
height.
We have
half
to
into
equate it, sir.
Half
half
into
into
x minus
uh,
2
x
uh,
minus 2
multiplied to 5
5
by
by 3
3 x
5
plus
by
4.
3x.
plus.
Now
Yes,
these
sir.
two areas should be
In between
equated.
the
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
So
These
half
two are equal, sir.
x into 5 by 3x should be equated to 1 by 2 times x minus 2 multiplied to 5 by
5
3x
by 3x
plus
plus
4.
4.
You can cancel out this 1 by 2. This can be
Yes, sir.
cancelled out.
Uh,
Rest there is
5 by
no
3x,
other
sir.
go. You need to multiply 5 by 3 x square
5x square.
will be equal
X
to,
square, sir, is equal
when
to
you multiply x to
x
this,
minus
will
2.
be 5 by 3 x square plus 4x minus 10 by 3x minus 8.
Minus
I
8.
am multiplying by distributive property.
Sir,
Now
cancel
in the next
out.
step,
5
this get cancelled. Yes, sir. This negative
minus
8, we
4x.
can bring it that side
Yes, sir.
and we can
8 is
simplify
equal
10
this.
by 3x.
8 is
LCM
equal
is
to
3.
4x minus 10x by 3.
12 minus 10 is 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2x by
12
3 is
minus
equal to
10 is
8.
equal to 2.
We
X is
get
equal to
2,
12.
2x by
X is
3
equal to
is equal
12.
to 8.
2x. Yes,
10
sir.
by 3x minus 4x by 1.
So x will be 12.
X is 12, sir.
12,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
base
Continue.
will be 12 centimeter and the height will be 5 by 3 times of
5
3.
by 3 into 12.
20,
4
20
plus
Yes, sir.
centimeter.
10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
20.
20,
12
Yes,
sir.
and
sir.
20.
20, sir.
Yes.
So
20
It was
this
meters.
is not
asked
so
in previous
difficult.
exam.
Yeah, this is not difficult question.
And the base
But
and
this
latitude.
question is slightly difficult, sir. This question you will come
Streamer.
across in class 9th also. This is one of the important question for class 9th. This type of difficult question may not be asked in the examination. Still, we can understand how to solve this. A streamer goes
Yes, sir.
downstream from point A to point B in 9 hours. From B to A, that is upstream, it takes 10 hours. If the speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour, what will be the speed of the streamer in still water? Also find the distance between the point A and point B.
Sir, what is still water, sir? Is it stationary in motion?
Still water is
Not
stationary. It's not
Yes,
moving.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In lame word, I can say it's a standing water.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
They have given speed of the stream.
1 kilometer per hour, sir.
You people must have experienced swimming in a river. If you are swimming in a river, if you are swimming in the direction of the water, the swimming becomes easy.
It
If
will
you are
be
swimming in
faster,
the
sir.
opposite direction,
Our speed will increase.
It will be
you need
slower.
to put extra effort, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Speed
Yes, sir.
decreases in the opposite direction. Speed increases in the same direction, isn't it?
Downstream is plus, sir. Upstream
Yes,
is
sir.
minus.
Very good,
Minus,
very
sir.
good. Downstream will be added
Yes,
up.
minus.
For the upstream, the difference will be there. So how to go about this question? Suppose if I consider speed of the streamer to be x in the still water, and speed of the stream should be added to that. So what will be the speed?
X plus 1, sir.
Speed of
Speed of the stream.
streamer
Distance by time.
downstream.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Downstream will be the speed of this boat I have steamer I have taken as x. So x should be
X
added
plus
to
1
1.
kilometer per hour.
X
Yes, sir.
plus 1 kilometer per hour. Same way, the speed of
After
streamer
streamer, upwards.
upstream,
Yes, sir. Upstream.
X minus 1.
X minus 1, sir.
it will be x minus 1. Yes, this concept is understood.
9 whole bracket x
You
plus
know
1 is
that.
equal to 10
You know
bracket
this,
x.
isn't it? Speed is given by distance by time taken. This is known to you.
Yes, sir.
Every time speed is calculated by the ratio of distance and time. So distance will be equal to speed
Time into
into
speed,
time.
sir.
Yes, sir. Time into speed.
They have given 10 kilometers and 10 hours and 9 hours, isn't it? So
Yes,
that
sir.
Yes, sir.
time we shall multiply with the speed, so that we will come to know the distance covered by streamer upstream as well as downstream. Distance covered by streamer upstream will be
10 into X minus 1.
10 into x
upstream. The
minus
time
1.
they have given as 10. For
Yes, sir.
upstream, x minus 1 is the speed. So 10 times
10x
of
minus
x
10.
minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Same way, the distance covered
Distance covered by the steamer
by streamer
9
downstream
downstream.
into x plus 1.
9
9x
into
9
minus
times of
9, sir.
x plus 1. This will be the distance. What is the use of obtaining these distances? Aren't they
Both are
same?
equal.
both
They
are
will be
same,
same
sir.
now? They will be
Yes, sir.
same. The distance covered will
Yes.
be same, so that we can equate it 9 times of
9x
x
plus 1.
plus 1. So if you
Yes, sir.
solve this, we get the value of x.
10x
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 minus 10.
minus 10 is equal to 9x
9x
plus
plus
9.
9x
9.
plus 9.
So x
Yes, sir.
X
value
is
we get it as
equals to
19.
19, sir.
19, sir.
19.
19. If 19 is the value of x, we can substitute to find the
Downstream.
distance. Any one of
X
the
plus
equation we have to take. They ask
19
the
minus
distance, isn't it?
180, sir.
This part is
plus
found.
180
Now we have to
kilometers.
find the distance. Therefore, distance
distance
between the point A and B is what? We can take any one of the equation here. I will take
Upstream.
10 times of 19 minus 1. So 180.
Yes, sir.
180 is in terms of kilometers. Isn't it?
Sir, how the distance will be equal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Because
How the
point A is
Because
there,
both are
point
same.
B is there.
So they are saying he goes to point B and comes to point
Downwards,
A.
this is downwards. It is the
Yes, sir.
distance covered. In upwards also, the same distance is there between these 2 points, A and B. So
Yes,
I
sir.
am equating the distances. These two are
Sir,
the
time taken is
distances.
different, but the distance is same.
Yeah, distance will be same. Time taken are different.
Yes, sir.
You can experience this if you are swimming across a river. Along the direction of the water, time taken will be reduced because speed increases.
Yes, sir.
If you
Sir,
if
X
you
is
don't swim, even on a cycle you can experience if the uh, slant road is there. When you are going downwards, the speed increases. When you are
yes, sir.
going upwards, speed decreases. Here the time T2 will be less than T1. Sorry, T2 will be more than T1. Time taken
Yes, sir.
towards upwards will be more compared to time taken towards downwards because the speed matters. It is like an inverse proportion, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes. Sir, what is actually X, sir?
What is actually x?
That
X
is
is the
distance.
speed in the still water.
Yes,
If
sir.
Yes, sir.
the speed of the stream is not taken, that is still water. This type of question you will come across in class 9th. They may give this as a boat. Speed of the
Sir,
boat
both and streams.
A boat goes downstream.
downstream, and the boat goes upstream. The speed of the boat in still water is taken as x. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Look at this next question. The distance between two stations is 425 kilometer. Two trains start simultaneously from these stations on parallel tracks to cross each other. The
It
speed
means they
of
are
one of them is
moving in.
greater than the other by 5 km per hour. If the distance between two trains after 3 hours of their start is 20 km, find the speed of each train. Check your
Sir,
solution.
these two trains are traveling in same direction or different direction, sir?
What do you understand from the
Same
question?
direction, sir.
Are they
Same
traveling in the
directions.
Same.
same
Yes,
direction?
yes,
Same
sir.
directions.
Sir, the track is parallel.
Direction. Parallel
Track
Sir,
is
means
to
parallel.
cross each
That
other,
they are
sir.
moving in
It
same
means they are
direction.
traveling in opposite
Opposite
directions to
direction.
each other.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, they are traveling in the opposite direction then. Go about this question.
Sir, they can also be traveling in the same direction, sir. They can cross
Yes,
by
sir.
that also.
If the speed is varying, no,
Same
they
direction.
can cross. If one of
Cross,
the
yes, sir.
speed is more and other is less, they can cross.
So we will try in both conditions, sir.
Shall we try in both the condition?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will be X and we should do.
For convenience, we shall take the trains
Speed
to
as
be train A, train B. So one of the train will be having the speed equal to x kilometer per hour. Other will be 5 more than that, isn't it? X
X
plus
plus
Yes,
5.
sir.
5.
So after some 3 hours, their distance we can find out.
Yes, sir.
And they have given here, this is the point we have to consider. After 3 hours, from their start is 20 kilometer. That is the difference in the distances, isn't it? Or
Yes, sir.
some, is that exactly? Okay, let us try. Let me consider the trains B, A and B. So speed of train A. I'll take this as x kilometer per hour. So the speed of train B
X plus 5, sir.
will be x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Now we'll take this time in consideration. So after 3 hours, the distance traveled by train A, the distance traveled by train A will be equal to time into speed. So 3x kilometers.
6 kilometer.
Same way, the distance traveled
3x plus 15 kilometer.
by train B,
3x
it
plus
is
15 kilometers, sir.
3 times of x plus 5, which is 3x
Yes.
plus 15. Yes, sir. 3x plus 15 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
Now the distance between these two trains is 20 kilometer, and the total distance, how to calculate?
We should have to
Uh,
add them, sir.
it is something like this: distance traveled by train A, distance traveled by train B, and the
3x.
distance between them is the total distance. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the distance traveled by train A, distance by train B, distance between them, that will be the total distance. So 3x plus this, if you simplify, I have taken is 3 times. We can write straight away this 3x plus
15.
15. 3x plus 15. If I take 3x plus 3x will be added up, we get
6x plus
6x.
20,
6x, sir.
35, sir.
6x plus 35 equal to 425.
425,
When
sir.
we transpose this, we get
6x is equal to
390. 390 divided by 6. That will be the value of x. 390 divided by 6. 6 times, 6 5
Right?
times.
yes, 5, sir.
65 kilometer per hour is
65, sir.
one train speed. The other train, for train A, it will be 65. For train B, it will be 5 more than this, 70 kilometer.
70, sir.
Yeah, is this answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Similar type of question was there in exemplar questions.
Oh, did we solve exemplar question from this chapter?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In
I
first only we
forgot it.
solved linear.
I completely forgot.
Downstream and upstream questions, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is again
Yeah,
downstream
motor
upstream
boat,
question.
sir.
Will you
It's
try
a motor
this?
boat.
Motor boat is given and it is covering a distance downstream in the river in 5 hours. The time is given. It covers the same distance upstream in 6 hours. The speed of water is say 2 kilometers per hour. Find the speed of boat in still water. Will you try this? Better is
Yes, sir.
take the speed of boat in still water as x. You take this as x, so that what will be the equation? If you write the equation, almost you are done.
X plus 5
Answer
multiplied to
is
2
24 kilometers in
is equals to
downstream, 20 kilometers in upstream.
No, only the speed of boat in still water we need to find. They have not as the speed in upstream and speed in downstream.
Then 22 kilometers
22 kilometers, sir.
22.
per hour. Yes, sir.
22 kilometer per hour. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How did you get this, sir?
Sir, 2 multiplied to x plus
Plus
5 is equals to 2 multiplied to x minus 6.
Why 2 multiplied to x plus
No,
5?
Sir,
5
because
We will
multiplied
find
to
the
x plus
distance,
2
sir.
is equal to
downstream
6
service.
multiplied to x minus 2, sir.
X plus 2 we have to take, no?
Yes, sir.
X plus
Into
2
5.
is towards the
X plus 2, sir.
downstream. This is towards the
Yes,
downstream.
sir.
This is
That
the
is 5,
speed
sir.
multiplied to time taken.
5.
5
5
is
hours.
equal to
5. This will be equal to towards the upstream.
6. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
x
X
minus
minus
2
2.
into
X minus 2 into
6.
6, sir.
Yes, sir. Now we have to equate
So we get
x into
5x
5x
plus 10,
plus
sir.
10 equal to 6x minus 12.
6x minus 12,
12, yes, sir.
which
So
is x
5x
minus
1x
22.
transpose
is
this
equal
side, we
to
get x value. When you transpose it this side, 10 plus 12 it becomes. So x will be 22.
22
22 is answer.
Kilometer per
kilometers
hour.
per hour.
This is easy. Yes, sir. Probably this question was there in exemplar. Three
Yes,
prizes
sir.
are to be distributed in a quiz contest. The value of the second prize is 5/6 the value of the first prize, and the value of the third prize is 4/5 that of the second prize. And the total value is 150. Find the value of each prize. First
Sir, x
prize,
plus 5 by 6x
x you
plus
take.
4 by 5 into 5 by 6x is equals
Second
to
prize
150.
is what? 5
5 by
6.
6x, sir.
5/6 means 5/6. Very good. For the
And the
third
third
prize,
prize, 4
it
by
is
5 into 5 by
4
6x.
by 5 times of second prize, 4/6x, isn't it?
No,
These
sir,
Five by
5 by
six.
6.
oh
5 by 6x.
5/6.
It
These
is
all
2
we
by
have to
6
add.
by 3.
Yes, sir.
This you can simplify 5 cancelled to 2 times 2 3 times 2/3x. So x added to 5/6x
5x,
added to 2/3x
2x
will
by
be
3 is equal to
150.
150, sir.
LCM here is 6.
6, sir.
So 6x plus
5x,
5x.
plus 5x plus 2x.
No,
4x.
4x. This
4x,
will
Yes,
be
sir.
sir.
equal to 150. When we add these together,
15
it
by
is
6x.
15. 15x is equal
15x
to
by
150 into 6. So x
Yes,
will be
sir.
900.
60.
900. Yes, sir.
X is 60 because 15 10
Yes,
times 10 into 6.
yes, yes,
X
sir.
value found, that is for the first
Second
prize,
one is
it's
50
rupees
rupees.
60. For the second
50
prize, it
rupees.
will be 5
50
by
rupees.
yes,
50, sir.
50 rupees. For the third prize, it
40
will be
rupees.
2/3 times of 60,
40, sir.
40
40 rupees.
rupees. So 60 rupees,
All
50
add up
rupees,
to
and 40
150.
rupees. Yes, sir. Very easy. The distance between two positive, no, sorry, difference between two positive integers is 36. The quotient when one integer is divided by the another is 4. What is the integer? What are the integers? The
Sir, the one
One
difference
number
integer
is
will
is
be
x and
x,
another number
36.
is 36
36
minus
minus
x.
x,
Difference is 36.
Yes, sir.
x plus
And
36
for the
minus x
positive
is
number,
equals to 36, sir.
let the another
Should
positive
we
number
take
is
36 minus x or x minus 36?
36 minus x, sir.
36 minus x, sir.
Why not the other way?
Because sir, the sum is 36
The
is
sum is
greater than
minus.
this number, sir. Because it is the sum of these two integers.
Then what is a quotient? Quotient means we have to divide, isn't it?
We have to divide, sir.
We get 4. Is this the equation?
Can we take
X will be
36
equal
minus
to
x upside, sir, numerator?
36 times of 4 minus 4x. 5x is equal to 36 times of 4. X will be equal to 36 times of 4 by 5. We get a
No, sir.
decimal there.
We
Sir,
can
we can take 36 minus x as a
36 minus x
numerator.
upwards.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then what will be the thing? 36 minus x divided by
X will
x is
become
equal to
12,
4.
sir.
Yes, sir. X will become 12.
4x
36 minus x is equal to 4x. No, 36 minus
36
x is equal to 4x. So
x
again
is equals
5x
to
is equal
12.
to 36.
Yes, sir. But 4 is
ये
not.
बात हजम नहीं हो रहा है यार. We are not getting integers here.
Sir,
So somewhere there is a mistake. What is a mistake? Difference of two positive integers is 36.
sir, by
Difference.
equating those two numbers which we have taken at the first step, sir,
Means
we
something
can
like
find
this.
the numbers.
Here that
If I
when one
consider x plus
divided
36
by
and x, their difference you see. Now the difference is 36, no?
yes, sir.
If x plus 36 is one number and x is another number, their difference will be equal to 36. Sir. If you do
Yes,
minus
sir.
here, it becomes 36. Now you take the quotient. X plus 36 divided by x is equal to 4.
Now X will become 12, sir.
So x plus 36 is equal to 4x. So 3x will be equal to 36. X will be equal to 12. One of the integer is 12. One more is x plus 36. 48.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you see the difference. इन दोनों का difference 36.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So whenever they give the difference, we should not take x minus, we have to take x plus. If they give sum of two digits is 9, in such cases, one of the digit if you take x, another digit will be x minus 9. This is for the sum. If they give the difference, we have to consider x plus some number. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This question related to age. Rocky's mother is 4 times as old as Rocky. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as she will be then. Find their present ages. Rocky's mother is 4 times Rocky's age. If you consider the Rocky and Rocky's mother, present ages if you take as x, this will be 4 times, no? 4 times of x. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as she will be then. So what will be the age after 5 years? X plus
4X
5,
plus.
4x
4x
plus
plus
5.
5.
Yes, sir.
According to
Yes, sir.
the condition given here, 4x plus 5 mother's age will be 3 times of x plus 5.
Yes,
Is
plus
it
5, sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
So 4x plus 5 will be equal to 3x plus 15. X will become equal to 10.
10, sir. 10.
10. So the present age of Rocky is 10. Present age of
10 years
Rocky's
and
mother is
40 years.
40. 40.
Yes, sir.
4x is 40. This question is from the textbook. This is a
Yes, sir.
textbook
It is
question.
there in a textbook, sir.
Yes.
One of the important questions. Baijung's father is 26 years younger than Baijung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baijung. The sum of
We
their
can take
ages is
father as
135.
X.
Here there are three things, no? One is Beijing's father,
Grandfather, father and son.
grandfather,
Son.
and son. If you take
Father is X.
father's
Grandfather
age
is,
as X,
it will be X plus 26, sir.
grandfather's age will become X plus
X
26.
plus 26 and X minus 29.
29 years older than Beijing. So Beijing's age will be
X
X
minus
minus
29.
29.
If we add all these up, we'll get 135.
If we are convinced with this, X plus 26, X minus 29,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
we
sir.
shall add. The sum must be equal to
3x plus
135.
3. Yes, sir.
So
3x
3x
plus
minus 3
minus
is 135.
3. Yes, sir.
So 3x will
3x
be equal to
equal to 138.
138. X will
Then
be equal
x is equal
to
to
4 times
46,
12.
sir.
So X is 46.
46. Father,
Father
Father
age is
is
46
46.
years.
46.
Grandfather is
Grandfather's 26 should be added.
72. 72.
72.
7 and
72
minus
years.
20.
If you do minus 29, how much will
17.
be?
17.
17.
17.
yes, sir. 17 years.
Yes, sir. 17 years. Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
these were the important questions of linear equation in one variable. If you have any other doubt, you please ask. If not now, after some time also you can ask. Next, which topic you want me to revise?
Data handling.
Data handling, it's very easy topic. In this, only one question I have asked in the exam.
Yes.
Maybe important ones are making a frequency table and making a histogram or pie chart.
Bar.
Pie chart.
Yes.
Question related to pie chart. Question related to histogram by making a frequency table. Only these two concepts are important in this. Apart from this, questions, easy questions related to probability, they are important. Not many marks are there. If you want, I can revise this chapter or else some other chapter.
So other chapter.
Which chapter? This also we will do sometime later.
Algebra. Al- algebra.
Algebra.
Yes, sir.
Factorization, sir.
Factorization, sir.
There are two topics here, algebraic expression and identities. This is one chapter.
And factorization
And
is
factorization is other.
Factorization, sir. Yes, sir.
factorization is more important.
Factorization.
Algebraic expression is easy.
Algebraic expression, what concepts are there? Do you remember?
Adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying.
Addition, multiplication,
Yes, sir.
and
Identity.
division also. They will give one expression divided by the other.
And multiplying is.
Sometime you'll use the identity to cancel this. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This
Factorization
type
is
of question is there.
important.
Difficult one
Sir.
means what must be added to one expression to get the another expression. Isn't it? That type of question is there. If you want, I can take factorization first. Then some of
Yes,
the
sir.
important
Take
question of
factorization.
this we can decide.
Yes, sir. First factorization.
Okay, sir. First
Factorization.
factorization we shall take in the next period. Tomorrow we have
Yes,
got
sir.
two
Sir,
classes.
in syllabus,
Two
sir, in
pages.
syllabus you have given linear equations with two variables.
No, it was
Actually, it
by
is
mistake.
linear equation in one variable. It was my mistake.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
By
Printing
mistake
mistake.
I wrote it as two
Typing
variables.
mistake.
Actually, it
sir,
is one year. Yes, sir.
sir, algebraic expression and factorization both are same only, sir. So both we can take at same time, no, sir.
Factorization have more concepts. Different types of concepts are there in factorization.
Factorization is little lengthier compared to
Algebra.
algebraic expression.
Algebra.
You are able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्या दिख
Yes,
रहा
sir.
है?
We can
Yes.
see the screen.
क्या दिख रहा है?
Blueprint of our
Blueprint
question
of
paper.
class set term 2 AY 20.
Academic year 21-22.
Types of question we will ask, sir.
हाँ,
3 marks and
इसमें ज्यादा मार्क्स किसमें है? These are the
8
marks. These are the
Mensuration, sir.
marks.
Mensuration.
Exponents and powers.
Greater
Mensuration.
Mensuration.
Mensuration में ज्यादा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 So we have dealt so many questions on mensuration, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
इसमें
sir.
ज्यादा है. Next किसमें ज्यादा है? It is there here.
Exponents and
Here.
factorization.
Factorization, sir.
Factorization. Next comes exponents and powers.
Yes, sir.
Next is
After sir,
this 4 marks.
algebra, expression,
Algebraic identities,
Algebraic expression.
linear equation,
linear
and one
equation in
variable.
one variable.
Yes, sir.
Data handling, there is one question of 3 marks.
Yes, sir. Also the
Okay, sir.
introduction to graphs.
Yes.
Since this chapter was easy, I have taken only 3 marks from this chapter. In squares and square roots, there is only
1
one
marks.
1 mark.
1 mark.
Because it was related to first term, I thought to give only one question from there. Not so difficult ones. Maybe related to properties. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Direct and inverse proportion. Again, recently you wrote the examination. One of the 2 marks question I have given.
Yes.
If you want, you can take a screenshot and share in the respective group so that others also will be benefited. Anyway, this is there in the record also. In the video, it is
What
getting
is
recorded.
for
Sir,
factorization
I
4
shared,
marks?
sir. I shared it, sir.
Shared it. Very good.
So one who doesn't join class will